Hello everyone, this is Adam from londonjournal.com. What we will cover in today's tutorial, it will be the switch statement in Java. Okay, let's get started then. What is actually switch statement is actually a different version of the if statement where we use words switch and case. It's actually called, for example, in VB or C# as the select case statement, but it does not matter now. Okay. Switch statements are actually used to produce many cases if under the certain conditions where if one conditions equals to something, instead of using if statements we are just using switch statement. And there are two words that are actually worth remembering. Is actually default. Default case is actually a case where something goes wrong in your code, and it actually goes to the default case, or if the condition in the switch statement is not met, or any of them are not met, it just goes to default. The break statement causes the execution to exit to the statement after the end of the switch. So if there is no break, the execution follows through into the next case, and following then directly into the next case is almost an error already. Okay, so let's write some code then. Let's say string comment int num equals int math dot random and asterisk 3. It's actually worth noticing that asterisk 3 means it will just show us first three numbers starting from 0. So it's 0, 1 and 2. Okay. And what we want now is actually switch. So alright, switch open brackets number open the curly bracket, and it's case 0 colon comment equals 0 is your switch statement value. Case 1, just copy and paste. Case 2, change it to 1, change it to 2. And that's now the default case. Okay, so what we want to do now is system dot out.print line comment. Okay, let's run it now. Yes, it shows that actually the error has been detected. Okay. Why is that? We haven't added the break statement, and therefore it will actually go through all of the cases, from the case 01 to up to default, and it will actually just stop the. So we want a break statement after each of them. So do actually remember to put the break statement. It's actually really useful. Otherwise it will just throw the error all the time. We do not need to have a break statement after the our default case, because it's useless actually. Okay, so it shows us that 1 is our switch statement value. So it actually works now. Let's run it again. It just shows that 1 again. 2. Okay. Let's try to put 10 here. So as you can see, I put 10, so it will throw the value, while it will randomly select values from 0 to 9, and error in your switch statement, or out of range, so it is actually out of range. So let's put back 3 random. And what I want to show you now, I want to show you the if statement, which will actually do exactly the same thing as the select statement did. So it's if num equals 0, then just copy that. Sorry about that. Out of range. Let's just add another string, just to show both of them at the same time. Comment 1. So it's comment 1. Okay.
So we want
system
out
print line
to
command 1.
That's right.
That's right.
Okay. So
Okay.
it shows for
So it
us
shows for us exactly the same value
for switch
for
and if
switch and
statements.
if statements.
Let's run it again.
Let's run it again,
And we can see
and
that
we can see
it's
that
shown
it's actually shown
the
the
same values for
same values
both of
for
them.
both of them.
So let's
So
make
let's
it to go out
make
of
it
range.
to go
Let's
out of
put
range.
20
Let's put 20
here.
here.
Let's run it again.
Let's run it
And
again,
it shows the same
and it
error,
shows the same
for
error,
two
but for
different
two different
syntax
syntax
methods
methods
that we've used.
We've used switch and if statements.
Well, it actually depends
well,
on you
it actually
what you
depends
will
on
use.
you what you will use.
Some people say that
some people say that some compilers
quicker
were
with
quicker with if statements. Some people say that
switch
with
statements. So
switch
it's actually up
statements.
to
So
you
it's
what you
actually
want
up
to
to
use.
you what you want to
Well,
use.
there are few
Well, there
drawbacks
are
of
few drawbacks
Java
of
switch statements.
Java switch statements.
It only has the.
It only has
It has been taken directly from actually C++,
actually C++, as I can remember,
and
and
it's
it's
more used
more
by
used
C++
by C++
programmers
than
than
other programmers. Actually, to be honest,
problem is it does not
problem
have any
is
ranges,
it does not have any ranges,
and it doesn't actually allow to
it doesn't
have any
actually
ranges.
allow to have any
For
ranges.
example,
For example,
case 90
case
to 100,
90 to 100,
as
colon,
well, semicolon.
and
it is actually
it is actually
supported by other
languages.
Let's say even
does that. E++ does that.
And
another
drawback is that
it can only work on integers.
So it doesn't actually allow
so
you to use
it doesn't
types,
actually allow you to use types as string, for example.
And again,
many
languages to actually support
that. And
it is one of the main sorts of
bugs
code when you actually forget to your break statement or you don't add your default statement. It will just throw you the error and the compiler will stop working.
Yes,
I think it will.
Yes, I think it will be it
I will
for today.
post further
I will
tutorials
post
soon.
further tutorials soon,
I hope it will be
and
useful.
I hope it will be useful.
Thank you.
And thank you.